Hi guys, welcome to another episode of How To Thursdays. Today we're going to learn how to do bicycle crunches. Let's begin by getting into our starting position. First, engage your lower abdomen and raise your legs off the ground, creating a 90-degree bend at the knees. This will make your lower back nice and flat on the ground. Next step, raise your shoulder blades off the ground by embracing your upper abdomen. And place your palms either behind your neck, head, or ears. Just be careful to not push and strain your neck while you're in the actual movement. This is our starting position. Now we are ready to begin. The first movement in this exercise is bringing your left elbow to your right knee as you simultaneously extend your left leg. Next, we rotate to the other side. That is one repetition of a bicycle crunch. Let's go ahead and try that again. Again, engage your lower abdomen to raise your legs off the ground, making a 90-degree bend at the knees. Engage your upper abdomen, raise your shoulder blades off the ground, and place your palms behind your head, neck, or ears. Again, we are ready to begin. This is our starting position. Right elbow goes to left knee as your right knee extends at the same time. And we rotate to the other side. Now that we've broken that down slowly, let's do a couple of reps back to back to see how they flow together. Let's begin. And that is how you do bicycle crunches. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit subscribe. I release workout videos and instructional how-to videos every week. Thank you for watching. Take care.